Angular 22 introduces a new decorator called service. You no longer need a root-scoped injectable decorator for simple cases. Instead, service provides a modern alternative for defining global singletons. By default, the new service decorator automatically registers your service class as a global singleton in the dependency injection system. You can use service as a direct replacement for a root-scoped injectable decorator in most use cases. It provides a more intuitive syntax designed to express developer intent and improve code readability when defining global singletons. However, service includes a few key differences. First, service enforces strictly function-based injection. This is the most important difference. Angular compiler strictly blocks constructor-based dependency injection when using the service decorator. You cannot pass dependencies into the services constructor. If you attempt to pass constructor arguments into a service class, you will get a compile time error. This rule applies to a service class itself. It has no effect on components, directives, pipes, or services using the injectable decorator. Any component consuming this service can use whichever injection style it prefers. So, this rule is only for service classes decorated using service. As a reminder, Angular Style Guide recommends using function-based injection over constructor-based injection. In addition, service doesn't support advanced injectable provider options like use class, use value, or use existing. Instead, this new decorator accepts a simplified configuration object containing two optional properties, autoProvided and factory. I'll cover more details later. To be clear, injectable is not deprecated. It remains available for advanced provider configurations and non-root scopes such as platform-level scoping. While service is root scoped by default, you can set autoProvided to false to disable this. When using this option, the service is not registered automatically, so you can provide it manually where needed, such as in a component or root configuration. In this case, you must explicitly add the service class to a provider's array wherever you need an instance created. The second property, factory, allows you to define a custom creation function to control how your service is instantiated. This provides flexibility over how the service instance is configured or constructed before Angular delivers it. This factory executes in an injection context, so you can freely use inject inside it to fetch required dependencies. It simply returns the final service instance directly, overriding the standard creation process. Starting in Angular 22.1, a new migration automates converting injectable to service. Bare injectable decorators convert to service using the autoProvided option.